Nico, I don't know if you've heard it, but my brother Derek's dead.
No shit.
Yeah, I just hope he was smacked out of his brain when it happened, because it wouldn't have suited him to be jonesing when he died.
There isn't any good way to go, though, is there?
I guess not. Gerald got arrested, too. They got him in the Albany State Correctional Facility.
They took Jerry down?
Don't worry, he's always being hauled in, but the charges don't stick. Come to Derek's funeral. It'd mean a lot to the family. It's today at the church in Suffolk.
I'll stop by, man. I'll see you there.
Remember to wear a suit, Nico. Can't have you dressed like a bum in the church.
Come on! I got a drummer in the trunk! You all need to wake up!
Hi, Nico.
Hey, Kate. I'm sorry to hear about your brother.
Yeah. I didn't really know Derek that well. I remember looking up to him as a kid. He had a dream back then. He was inspired. The Derek that came back to Liberty City was broken. He probably wanted to die.
Yeah, it still has to be hard for you.
It's hard for my mom. I'm trying to be there for her. Are you going to be at the funeral?
Sure. I'll see you there, Kate. Goodbye.
Alright everybody, what's going on? Kasam says it here, bringing back some more Grand Theft Auto 4 main story missions gameplay. This is the mission called The Undertaker, which can only be activated once you pick up Packy's phone call. Of course, if you've chosen to kill Derek. Now, in the phone call, he would invite you to head to the funeral. So of course you would do so. So yeah, here goes.
And while no one is suggesting he was an angel, none of us are. That is why God put us on earth and not in heaven. The trials of humanity were sometimes too much for him to bear. But he was a committed family man and a man of beliefs. God asks us to show faith. And that is what he gave us in his way. Derek gave so much of himself and will be sorely missed by us all. Amen.
Amen.
Now, if you will all please join me in the procession to the cemetery.
I'm sorry for your loss.
I'm not. I'm sorry for Ma. I gave up on my brothers a long time ago. The most I ever expected from them was to put flowers on their coffins.
You've got a strange family.
Who doesn't?
I don't know.
Everybody get down!
Alright, there you go. So these Albanian guys start coming to crash the funeral. So of course you take them out. So just stay there and stay crouched. It's the best. It's the best accuracy, you know, that you can shoot really like accurately well. So of course I stay crouched and just keep looking in the minimap to see the red dots coming towards me. So I'm totally aware of which direction they'll be coming from. Of course, as they come in, try to shoot the driver, the free aim, and then the auto. Ooh, wrong guy. There he is. And then more guys to the left coming from the alley. Just have to watch out. Of course, as you see, I didn't even move. I just stayed where I am. Just stay crouched and just switch to my assault rifle, which is like the most powerful weapon.
It looks like that's all of them for now. Make a run for the cars! Quickly!
Okay, there you go. So once you've killed all of them, well, it looks like everybody will run to their car, and you will have to end up driving the car where Derek's coffin is in it. So you just head to this one, and of course this is the hardest bit of the mission, because you just have to be careful where you drive, and at the same time you will get the police heat on you, and more Albanians will chase you down. So of course the hardest bit, like I said, you got to get the hearse, his coffin, to the cemetery, and of course the more damage the vehicle takes, for example if you bump into other vehicles like really often, the more likely of the chance that the coffin will fall out. So I can see here, the coffin is almost out. So I just had to be careful with these last few turns, and then yeah, just had to be careful. And here you go. Here's the destination. Once you reach it, it doesn't matter what happens, this cutscene would have cliffed.
All right, we're fucking here. Let's bury this bastard.
Thanks, Nico.
What for?
Derek never had many friends. He sort of lived in his own head. It means a lot, you coming here and helping this messed up family of mine.
I did not come for Derek. I came for you and Packy.
Like I said, thanks. Give me a call sometime, Nico.
This mission is free. You actually don't get any reward money for it.
Don't make yourself
But yeah, you do actually give Derek, you know, to the funeral. And like I said, this is the just driving Derek to the cemetery is the hardest part of the mission. And the upside is that you don't have to lose the 1 level to get here. You can just drive it to the checkpoint, and that's it. You just complete the cutscene, and that's it. Mission passed. I'm Sam Sensei. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'm out. Peace.